A call was felt deep within my soul, a silent invite that made me whole. Not by my worth nor by my plea, but by Allah's mercy He called for me. I packed my bags but more my heart, leaving sins and fears apart. With tears of hope and whispered prayer, I stepped ahead, His house to share. At Miqat, wrapped in simple white, all pride dissolved before His sight. Labbaik Allahumma fill the air, a servant's cry, sincere and bare. Then suddenly before my eyes, the Kaaba stood in sacred guise. Time stood still, my breath was gone, for dreams of years were drawn to one. I circled the house with humbled feet, each round erased my past defeat. With every step my heart was cleansed, as broken prayers to heaven sent. I reached for the black stone full of tears, carrying sins of countless years. If touch I couldn't, my soul still knew Allah sees what hearts go through. At Maqam Ibrahim I bowed my head, gratitude filled each word I said. 2 units of prayer, a lifetime's cry, placed softly where prayers never die. Between Safa and Marwa I ran, reliving Hajar's trustful stand. A mother's faith, a child's need, from pure reliance Zamzam free. When scissors touched my humble hair, completion whispered through the air. Umrah was done, but not the change, for hearts return no longer same. Later I walked where mercy stays, Medina bathed in Prophet's rays. Before His resting place I stood, speechless, grateful, understood. O Messenger of Allah, I sighed, pray for us on the other side. Peace wrapped my soul, calm and deep, a promise I would always keep. Now I'm home, yet still I roam, for my heart stayed near Allah's home. O Lord, invite me once again, till my last breath, till my